guys, so from my last video we learned about the numbers from 1 to 10 and we learned about the days of the week, and today we're going to learn how to say from 20 to 100 in numbers. And then after this we're going to learn how to use these numbers in our daily lives, like for buying something, going to the supermarket, or bargaining when you go to somewhere, maybe like in China or some Asian countries. It's going to be very useful, so stick to it. Let's get started. So let's review from 1 to 10 one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's read in reverse for one more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the different numbers here, we put a 10 at the end. It makes its time 10 times more, so 10 times. So do we say 10? So sometimes 10 is like 1 10, right? So 20 is like 2 tens. 30 is like 3 tens. So it's 30 is 30, right? And 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So what about 100? 100 is 100. Hundred, 百, 百. So what do we say 100? 100. 100, 100, 百, 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 100. What about 200? 200, 200. 300, right? 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. Okay, so you just learned from 100 to 900. So now you know, like from number 1 to number 9, they're so important because we have different characters like unit at the end of it, and then it makes a totally different number. So today we learned 10, 百. 10 means tens, 10. 百 means 100. So basically we just need to add the numbers in front of them. So let's read one more time from 20 to 90 and then from 100 to 900, okay? 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. So let's get down to 100. 100, 100. 200, 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 900 900 That's it. So how do we say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 32, 33? So it's very easy. Let me just show you. If you want to say 21, it's 21, 21, because this is a 20, right? 20 plus 1. So it's 21, 21. And what is 22? 22, 22, 22. Right. What about 32? 32, 32. What about 39? 39, 39, 39. That's 39. That's correct. So as you see, it's very easy, right? Please just practice it. And if you find difficulty in pronouncing the number that you want, leave me comments and I will show you, I will tell you how to pronounce it. Please practice. It takes practice to master all these numbers. And the most importantly, remember 1 to 9, how to say it, from 1 to 10, and also the unit like 10, 百. So 百 is like 100. So how do we say 120? So it's 120, 120. What about 250? 250, 250. What about 390? 390, 390. What about 550? 550, 550. Correct. So today we have learned how to say from 10 to 90 and from 100 to 900. I'm so excited. I hope you grasped some of the techniques of how to making up the numbers and how to read it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Let me know if you have any feedbacks on what you want to learn next time. But in my next video, I'm going to teach you about how to say 1,000. And also, we'll start to practice how to use these numbers in our daily life, like shopping. And I'll see you next time. Bye!